Hi everyone, this is Heather Lawton and from the Flourish Academy. This is episode 397. I have some very exciting news. I am officially certified as, I have it in front of me so that I don't mess it up, an ex-ambassador silver level with Fujifilm. Isn't that great? So it turns out that Fuji offers training to the stores that sell their cameras. So that will be YM Camera, which I am affiliated with, and they granted me access to their online training where you can earn a certification through watching courses and taking exams in order to show that you have an extensive knowledge of the Fuji gear. They have the silver level, the gold level, and the platinum level. I completed all the courses for the silver level and all the courses that are available for the gold level. So I will establish gold status once there are 3 more courses remaining that they have to upload, and the platinum level is not yet available, but I will take that as well. So last weekend when it was raining all weekend long here in Pittsburgh, I was binge watching Fuji videos. So I learned all about the following cameras. I mean extensively, meaning I had to take pretty intense training and take tests in order to make sure I had an understanding of the camera. I have the X100F, the X Pro 2, XT20, the XE3, the XT2, the XA5, XH1, XT100. Those are all under the silver level. Also the GFX 50S and the MKX lens. Oh, also the XF10. I feel like there were a couple other ones. Oh, I watched the courses on the Instax as well. So I know all about the Instax cameras and the printers, which is super fun. So I'm really excited about this. Now don't misunderstand. So when I say that I am a Fuji Silver X Ambassador, that does not mean that I am affiliated with Fuji at all. Trust me, they do not even know my name. The only person I know inside of Fuji is Jackie. She is our wonderful rep, but besides that, they have no clue who I am, and that is just fine. I took all of these tests just so I could gain more knowledge on the Fuji system as well as mirrorless in general so that I could better help to serve you guys and answer questions and just understand it a little bit more. And let me tell you something, I learned a ton of new things through this training, so I am very grateful to Fuji for offering this. But last evening, I got my hands on the Nikon Z7. I was able to play with it a little bit, and a few days prior to that, I was playing with the Fuji X-T3, which I'm also very excited about. And someone had commented and asked me what was my review and what would I buy. And I'm gonna have to save that for another video because I'm still exploring the options, but I really only held the cameras for about 2.3 seconds, so I don't have a lot to go on other than the ergonomics and the specs that are on the websites. But that was not the point of this video. I just wanted to share with you that I am a certified silver ex-ambassador for Fuji because I took courses and I passed all of the exams. Thank goodness. By the way, I love certifications. That's why I'm an Adobe certified expert in Photoshop. Anything that has a certification, I'm all about it because I like to prove to myself that I am qualified to teach it. And I would not start teaching Photoshop some 10 plus years ago unless I felt qualified to do so. So I take these exams. Certifications are fun to me. It pushes me to learn more about the equipment. I did it through Fuji because they offered it. So I was really happy about that. So if you have any questions on Fuji gear, I could definitely help you out with that. I hope that you found this useful. Well, probably not, but at least exciting. I'll see you in the next video.